Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to access Windows 11 administrative tools in File Explorer and more. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. Here you can see Control Panel. You have to go for it. Here you'll find the option of category, large icons or small icons. You have to select large icons. After selecting large icon, you can open this file like this. Now go to Windows Tools. So this is the page. This should give you all the administrator tools on your PC. So this is how you can access Windows 11 administrative tools in File Explorer and more. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.